Lingportal Online School presents.
In this video, we will be focusing on listening comprehension. Understanding the description of a word will help you better understand the word itself. Well, shall we start? Okay then, let's begin the quiz. There have been many movies made about this four-legged animal. This animal loves going for walks, playing fetch with sticks or a ball. There are many different types of this animal. This animal enjoys the company of humans. It is a domestic animal. Have you figured out what it might be yet? Cat, dog, bear, guinea pig. Did you guess it? Yes, it's a dog. Now you know what words and phrases you can use to describe a dog. Let's start. This is a tool, often used for household DIY and building. It has two parts, a handle and a head. The head is fixed onto the handle. The handle is sometimes made from wood. The head is made of metal. When we need to nail something, we use this tool. What is it? Auto hammer? Screwdriver? Hammer? Cutting board? Guess now.
Dear viewers, it's time to hit subscribe button and like this video. This means a world for us. Thank you.
And the answer is a hammer. This is a shallow, round item that a cup sits on, and it's a part of a collection of dining items which we use in our kitchen. Paradoxically, this object can be referred to as a flying craft used by aliens. Our described item is also made from clay. A bowl. A saucer. A flying saucer. A spacecraft. Any ideas? Can you guess what it is? If not, don't worry. Just use your imaginations or take a guess. And the answer is yes, you're right. This is a saucer. It is a piece of furniture with a flat top, and it can have between 1 or 4 legs, providing a level surface on which objects may be placed and people could sit around. This can be used for such purposes as eating, writing, working, or playing games. This item can be found in any private, public, commercial, or official buildings where people are gathering together in all sorts of cases. Well, guys, you've got plenty of clues, and it's almost time for your answer. What could it be? One more bit of detail to help you. It can be made of wood or as a combination of glass and metal, sometimes even plastic. Any ideas? A table. A chair. A sofa. A stool. Of course! You're absolutely right. This is a table. To start, I want to specify that this word is a noun. This word can mean something which is a result of events and sums up things that have happened during one's past or life. It can also be referred to in the form of money or properties left in a will after death. So, do you have any ideas about this word? What is it? Luck, fortune, legacy, fate. Of course, you're absolutely right. This is legacy. Brilliant!
How are you today?
I am fine, thanks. Yourself?
I am very well, thank you. Can I assist you with anything?
I am after some Granny Smith apples.
OK, we sell them in a pack of 4 or loose.
I'll have them loose.
Not a problem. How many would you like?
I will take 8, please.
That will be £3.80 then, please.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye. How many apples did Sally buy? Know how many apples? Pack of 4, 6, 8, 10. The answer is 8. Yes, Sally wants to buy 8 apples. Well done.
Hello. How can I help you today?
I am looking for a blouse for my job interview.
Do you have anything particular in mind?
I was looking for a blue blouse, if possible.
Of course. If you follow me, I will show you where they are. We have a lovely selection at the back.
Thank you.
Not a problem.
What colour blouse was the customer looking for? Any idea what it could be? Pink, yellow, lilac, blue. Did you guess it? The answer is blue. The customer wants to buy a blue blouse.
Hi, we are ready to order.
Of course. What can I get for you today?
Could we have 2 of the cod specials, please?
I am very sorry, sir, but we have sold out of the cod.
OK. What fish-based dish do you have available?
We have octopus.
I think we'll give that one a miss. Could we have a moment to look at the menu again, please?
Sure, no problem. What did Daniel want to order? Did you hear? Look at the screen. Octopus, squid, cod, lamb. Daniel wanted to order cod. How much will it cost to go to Trafalgar Square?
It will cost a total of £10.50.
OK, and how much would it cost for a wait and return?
It depends really on how long the wait is.
About 10 minutes?
It will cost you £24.78.
OK, that's fine. I will go for the wait and return.
Of course.
After the trip.
That's a total of £26.70 then, please.
I thought it was £24.78.
It's £26.70 because the wait was longer than 10 minutes.
I see. Here you go. What was the price Lily and the taxi driver agreed before the trip? Could you catch the figure? £2, £10.50, £24.78, £26.70. The price Lily had agreed was £24.78.
Hello, could I book a ticket to Euston, please?
When would you like to go?
I would like to get the 1930 train, please.
Unfortunately, there are no tickets available for that train. I could book your tickets for tomorrow.
I suppose I don't really have a choice.
When would you like to go?
On the first train.
OK, that is all booked for you.
Thank you.
Which day did James buy tickets for? I'll give you only 10 seconds to think. Same day? Next day? Following week? 13th of July? James bought tickets for the next day. Yes! There weren't any tickets available for the same day, so James had to buy tickets for the next day.